I welcome you all for this course Grammar and Usage for Undergraduates. In this module, we are going to learn the topic past tense. Past tense also have 4 tense forms: simple past, past progressive, past perfect and past perfect progressive. Okay. First we'll see simple past tense. Okay. An action happened in the past. That is simple past tense. An action already happened, completed in the past time itself. That is simple past tense. For this, we have rule like subject and verb. Verb in the sense verb to. Okay. Second verb. We have to take second verb like work, worked. That term you have to use for simple past tense. And it should be applicable for all the 7 subjects like singular and plural. He, she, it, or I, we, you, they. For all the 7 subjects, we can use V2. I worked, he studied, she worked, okay, they played. For all the 7 subjects, we can use V2. Okay, that is simple past tense. Let's see the usages of simple past tense. An action occurred in the past. Yes, he worked hard. I played well. Okay, they studied well. They cooked. Like that we can frame. Next usage, an action happened in the past but not mentioning the time. Okay, we should not mention the time. We worked together. I studied in Chennai. Okay, they played well the match. We worked together. I worked with them. Like that we can use but not mentioning the time. Next usage is death events. The cat ate the rat. He died last year. Okay, like that we can frame. Next one, state of mind. It expresses our mind. I worried a lot about that issue. I worried a lot. Okay, I felt sad of that incident. He felt sad about that incident. Okay, we worried a lot about his exams. Like that we can frame. Like state of mind. Next one, actions repeated in the past also can be used. He trained the freshers. Okay, might be the trainer was training every batches in the past year. He trained the freshers. He trained the freshers. Next one, let's move on to other usages. Okay, with reflect to simple past tense. He completed the work or he completed his work. This is simple past tense. This is affirmative. Now we move on to negative sentence. He did not. Okay, he did not completed his work. He didn't. Okay, next one move on to yes or no form. Did he? For yes or no, did must take the initial position and then subject. Did he complete? Here we should not use completed. Instead of completed, we are giving did. So we have to use only complete. Did he complete his work? For yes or no form. And for WH question, we say like what, okay, or who, okay, what did he complete? What did he complete? Yes, he completed his work. Like that we can frame. Next move on to past progressive. An action happened in the past for a particular period of time. Okay, it was happening. For example, I was working in that company. Okay, for some period of time, the action might taken place. Okay, I was working in that company. He was searching his hat. Okay, he was searching. We were watching. Like that we can frame sentence. Let's move on to the structure. Here for singular we have to use was. For plural we have to use were. He, she, it. For these third person singular, we have to take was and verb ing. He was searching. She was cooking. Okay. She was playing. Okay. It was barking. It was grazing. Like that we have to frame. Was can be used for third person singular and were can be used for plural like we. We were playing. Okay. You were talking. We were discussing. Like that we have to frame sentence. Next move on to usages. To show that someone is in the middle of the action. Like, see the example, we were watching TV when Hari came. Okay, so we were watching TV, everything is past tense, right? We were watching TV, that time a boy came, Hari came. Okay, middle of an action. Next usage is, it's used to describe an action taking place when another action occurred. Okay, two actions happened. Raja was driving home when I phoned him. Okay, two actions. Raja was driving, at that time somebody called or phoned him. Okay, Raja was driving home when I phoned him. Next usage, an action happened in the past for a long time. Okay, he was playing football last year. Okay, last year means he has to practice, right? Then only he can play well. So he was playing football last year. Next, move on to past perfect tense. It also describes two actions. Okay, two actions happen in the past. One action can take simple past tense and another action can take past perfect tense. Okay, let's see one example for that. When the teacher entered, okay, when the teacher entered, simple past tense. Okay, when the teacher entered the class, we'll take small past and then what happened? We have to complete the sentence. The students had already left. Okay, when the teacher entered the class, the students had already left. Okay, so in this sentence we are using simple past tense and also past perfect tense. Okay, for this we have rule like a subject plus V3. Okay, V3, before that we have to use had. Only one usage, only had should be used for both singular and plural subject. I, we, you, they or he, she, it, whatever it is, we have to use only had. I had, okay, she had or we had, okay, he had worked. They had worked. I had studied. It had finished. He had worked. Like that we have to frame sentence. Next we will move on to the usages. To indicate an action that occurred and completed in the past itself. Okay, it has completed in the past time itself. Shiva had borrowed money from the bank to buy a new car. Okay. Next usage, an action happened before a definite time in the past. We have cleaned up the terrace before the watchman arrived. We have cleaned up the terrace before the watchman arrived. Two actions. One is simple past tense, another one is past perfect tense. Next one, an action happened in the past before another action took place. You had jumped into the river before I reached the spot. You had jumped into the river, okay, had jumped past perfect, before I reached, simple past tense can be used. Let's see some more examples for past perfect tense. She had cooked some food. He had lent me this book. They had shifted to new house. We had brought new mobile. I had lost my pen. Okay. Next, we'll move on to negative statement. How we can use negatives in past perfect tense. Okay, not can be added. So, where we have to add not between had and V3. Okay, let's see some examples. I had not received. Okay, had and then not and then V3. I had not received any communication. We had not found the ship. Okay, had not found. They had not attended. Okay, they had not attended the class. He had not taken the issues seriously. She had not eaten well. Next, move on to had usage. Okay, in the sentence we can use to had. So, have. Okay, the past tense of have is had. And also for past perfect tense we have to use had already. So, we have to use to had in the sentence. Okay, let's see one example. They missed him. They dismissed him before he had a chance to apologize. Okay, there is no chance for him. Okay, they dismissed him before he had a chance to apologize. Okay, next move on to past perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe a continuous action that was already completed in the past and also another action took place in the past itself. Okay. Let's see an example. By the time I received the reply, I had already been waiting for 2 months. See the structure, had been waiting. So for here we have to use had been waiting. Verb plus ing should be the structure for past perfect progressive. Okay, subject plus had and then been, after that verb plus ing. I had been waiting, she had been waiting, or they had been waiting, or we had been waiting. For all the 7 subjects we have to follow the same structure, had been plus verb plus ing. It had been raining, like that. Okay, let's sum up the content. In this module we learnt 4 tense forms of past tense, rules and its usages, different usages. Acquire and construct grammatically correct sentences. Thank you and happy learning.